Now this is a part of the integration, my dear, right? So in the integration are of two types. पहले clear हो जाए, right? One is called definite, another is called indefinite. What is the difference between? Before that, this is the symbol of writing the integration. ये symbol आते ही तुम समझ जाओगे कि either integration पूछ रहा है या करना है ना? उसमें क्या कौन रहता है? एक फंक्शन रहता है और उस फंक्शन का जो तुम्हारा वेरिएबल है दैट इज इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल उसका डेरिवेटिव रहेगा dx. dx इज अ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दैट. तो यानी कि हम समझ गए कि मेरे फंक्शंस में जो इंडिपेंडेंट x रहेगा उसको हमको इंटीग्रेट करना है. इज इट क्लियर? सिमिलरली इन द indefinite also same pattern. There is no difference between, but last after solving some little differences like in the indefinite is there. कैसे मैं बता देता हूँ. If in the lower, this is a lower part and this is the upper part. Upper limit is there, there is a lower limit. Suppose you are going to integrate, this is 0 and this is 10. Suppose there is so many parts are there and you want to integrate not up to 10, suppose you want to integrate up to 8. So the lower limit is what? 0 and the upper limit is what? 8. So you are integrate only 0 to 8. ये informations रहता है इसमें. I think clear it is, right? So this is the function upper and lower limit. So first let me come with the basic theorems, and before basic let me inform you about this कि differentiation जो होता है वो integration का opposite होता है. What is the meaning of that? Meaning is, let me clear you. What is the differentiation of sin x? It is cos x. Then if I'll say or ask what is the integration of cos x, then you will say sin x. हो गया ना opposite. Whatever the theorem basic learn in differentiation, जो भी उसका आंसर आया है उसी आंसर को अगर मैं इंटीग्रेट करूंगा तो वो जो क्वेश्चन था फंक्शन का वो हो जाएगा तुम्हारा आंसर ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. I think you are not confused. Is it right? Example I have already given. Differentiation of sine is cos, then integration of cos is sine. Like that. Is it clear? Okay. Rather have some important basic theorems in the integration. This is again once again integration symbol. This is definitely what? Derivative. तो derivative of x क्या होगा? x. जैसे मैंने तुमको बोला था, if I'll divide x into so many small terms dx 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 dx, सारा को सारा को क्या करना है? ऐड कर लो, इंटीग्रेट कर लो, तो क्या मिलेगा? x. Similarly x it is. Okay, x to the power n, x to the power what? It is n plus 1. You know minus 1 is minus in the differentiation, here 1 is plus in the integration. इंटीग्रेशन में जोड़ना और डिफरेंशिएशन में तोड़ना. Yes. So n plus 1 plus a constant will come because it is what? This is indefinite. और definite होगा तो कोई constant नहीं आएगा. Once again, this constant is for indefinite. If this is definite, there will be no constant. Okay. X to the power n, how to write? 1 add. n plus 1, but the same value you will write in the denominator. ये है theorems का basic idea. With a constant, how to write? Definitely constant will again come outside, जिसे differentiation में भी बाहर जाता था. Now integration of x to the power n, you know how to do this. ये सारा का सारा theorem यहाँ लिख दिया मैंने constant के साथ. Now this is called e, you know, exponential. And exponential has no changes. जैसे e to the power 1 value is 2.718. I already defined in my other videos. Right here also 2.718 वैल्यू, और 2 रहेगा तो 2.718 2.718 को फिर से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, 2 मिल जाएगा आंसर. If it is e to the power 2, is it right? Okay. Now some other basic theorems are, the fifth one is the, look at here, 1 by x dx. If there is 1 by x, then we have to write log x. Is it right? And how to solve log will come in the another videos, right? log को solve करना भी हम लोग को सीखना है, but it is in physics it's not so important. Maybe if you learn in 12 it's okay, otherwise you can learn from your maths teacher. Is it clear? Or I will help you later. Clear? तो अब देखते हैं इसमें solve कैसे करेंगे, because there are two part, definite and indefinite. So what is the difference, right? For example, this x to the power 3 dx, how to integrate this? You know the theorems. X to the power n, how to, what is the answer then? The answer is x to the power 3 plus 1. We have to add 1. It's become 4 divided by 4 with a constant. If you write with c constant, that means it is a what? Indefinite. अगर ये definite होता तो कैसे होता? So अगर definite होता, let me write, remove this and let me write here. If it is, suppose there is a function called 1, lower limit is 1, 1 से लेके 3 तक इसको क्या करना है? इंटीग्रेट करना है. तो कैसे लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल x to the power 3, you know, once again, to the power 4 by 4. Don't write constant, give it a third bracket, and in the third bracket of the closing side of the bracket यहाँ पे 1 लिखना है और यहाँ पे 3 लिखना है. Next step, in place of x only you have to put 3. बाकी पहले constant को बाहर करो. 1 by 4 is outside, only left is what? X to the power 4. First you put 3 to the power 4, फिर माइनस लगा के लोअर लिमिट को फिर से डालना है इसमें. तो क्या होगा? 1 to the power 4. So you know it is 1 by 4, sorry, it is 1 by 4 and 3 to the power 3 2s are 3 3s are 9, 9 9 is 81. So it is 81 minus 1, it is 80. So 80 by 4, I think it is 40 and 20 answer will come. ये देखो डेफिनेट आंसर आ गया और पहले वाला इंडेफिनेट था, ओनली दिस मच. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड इंडेफिनेट एंड डेफिनेट. इस तरह से. अदरवाइज मेथड ऑफ डूइंग, जो मेथड यूज करेंगे, यूज करके उसका मेथड एक ही है, बेसिक थ्योरम को अप्लाई करना है. लास्ट में जो आंसर मिलेगा इसमें लोअर एंड अपर लिमिट इफ इट इज देयर, देन यू हैव टू सॉल्व लाइक दिस and you will get the definite answer or you will not get definite answer. Okay, thank you. Okay, one more information that I am not written all the basic theorem like differentiation of sine. What is the answer? Cos. So integration of cos is sine. So now you have to practice that. Integrate all the answers of the differentiation will give the what? Yes, answer of the differentiation. मतलब या जितनी भी तुमने बेसिक थ्योरम डिफरेंशिएशन का पढ़ा है उसका जो आंसर निकला उसको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो जो क्वेश्चन था वो हो जाएगा इंटीग्रेशन का आंसर. क्लियर? ओके. एंड सम अदर कुछ क्वेश्चंस लेके आते तुम्हारे सामने. इज इट राइट?